Hello and welcome to this new video. Today it's about how to mine easily Bitcoin. So first of all, you need a wallet. If you have one, just use that one. If you don't, you can click on the first link or the second link in the description. First link is quite easy to install. Second one takes more time, but you can also trade the cryptocurrency there. So to show you, we'll use the first one because, as I said, it's easier. So you click on a link, download it here, and then install it, of course, and open it. I have to enter password, you don't, because it's your first time. Okay, so here we go. That's how it should look like for you. Now we don't need an update, but then we go on wallet and we search for Bitcoin. Okay, then we press on receive and copy that link and just put it here till later. Okay, next step is to get the program. So therefore I uploaded you a file. You can just press on that link here and download the zip file. It takes a few seconds. Okay, there we go. Right click, extract all, and then we go on start.bat and press edit. Press more info, run anyway. And now the only thing we have to change is your wallet address, and there we have to insert our address. So we go here again, copy the address and replace it. Okay, that's it already. So now we go on file, save as, all files, and save it. I actually, yeah, okay, now it's fine. Now we can go here again and just press start.bat. And now, okay, we have to allow access, but now the mining process is starting. Takes some time to really starting because GPU needs some time, but yeah. So, and how do we get it now into our wallet? So therefore we click on unminable.com, that link here, and now we have to here to insert our wallet address. So copy that address here and insert it here. And now, okay, it's at the moment it says you have no workers online. That's because we just started mining. It takes like 5 minutes until it will show up. Yeah, but then it will show you the balance here, and here you can pay now, or you can select auto pay. But the thing is, you can only pay out when you got 0.001 Bitcoin. So you have to mine a bit until you can pay out. But as soon as you press then the pay now button, or you have on auto pay and are on 0.001 Bitcoin, you can pay out. To check how fast you're mining, we can go on program, and here we see, okay, it's currently around 22, a hash rate of around 22. So we can go just on start and write 22 and here, and then we will see, okay, currently we're mining 0.00003 Bitcoin per day. So sounds very little, but I mean, you know, Bitcoin price, so yeah, just a few euros a day per day. Yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you. If there are any questions still remaining, just ask in the comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible, and then see you next time. Bye bye.